Hey YouTube, iPlanet112 here. In this video I'm going to be doing a review of a tweak called 1UP, which is available for free on the ModMyEye repo, and what it allows you to do is basically replace the notification sounds for certain apps that you can specify to be similar to the Mario. So you get a little ding every so many notifications. For example, if you set it to 10, on the 10th notification you'll get the 1UP sound, which is quite cool. I'll show you the settings for this before I demonstrate it. But if I go over to the 1UP settings, you can enable it or disable it. You can choose how many coins you have to get or the notifications you have to get to have the 1UP sound play, and you can have which apps it will work for. By default it's just messages, but I've set it on for WhatsApp as well, so it's easier to demonstrate this. So if I just demonstrate this by sending a few messages here, I've already sent a couple. And as you can see there on that fifth one, which was the fifth one out of those, it did the 1UP sound. So it's still going because I just sent a few, but you get the idea. It's a pretty simple tweak, it's pretty cool, and if you're a Mario fan, something I definitely recommend you have on your iOS device. Like I said, it is free on the ModMyEye repo, so definitely try it out if you're interested. So yep, that's it. Like the video if you liked it, leave a comment if you have any questions, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.